Hey everyone, welcome to ACM Shorts. Today I want to walk you through factory applied treatments to optimize your hardscaping products, what it is, why it exists, and how it works within the manufacturing process. When it comes to factory applied treatments, it helps to understand the problems that this technology was designed to solve. In regards to pavers, the same issues tend to show up time after time: color fading, efflorescence, and surface staining. Traditionally, these issues have been addressed after installation using aftermarket sealers. Those sealers often require reapplication and can introduce additional challenges, including delays while waiting for contractor coordination, weather limitations, and other variables that can impact consistency and long term performance. What makes factory applied treatments so effective is how seamlessly they integrate into everyday production. It's applied using a controlled spray system during your normal manufacturing process, while the pavers are still green. Because the treatment is applied during production, it chemically bonds with the cement matrix as the pavers cure. That means it becomes part of the paver itself, not just a topical coating that wears off over time. And since it's integrated into the surface, it won't chip, flake, or peel, even if the pavers are cut in the field. The result is an optimized product with enhanced color, improved stain resistance, and long term performance, delivered straight from the manufacturer. By applying the treatment through a controlled spray system, we're able to apply consistent, even coverage across the surface and control the application rates based on the mix type and the product. The goal is simple: consistency, board to board, run to run, day after day. One of the biggest advantages of applying the treatment during production is long term, time over time performance. What we've seen through field exposure is consistent and measurable benefits. That includes reduced efflorescence, richer, longer lasting colors, less visible fading from UV exposure, increased resistance to acid rain, and a more uniform appearance as the pavers age. And this performance doesn't start years down the road, it starts on day one. But this performance is tied to more than just the treatment. It depends on concrete quality, proper spray setup, correct application rates, and controlled curing conditions. When those pieces come together, you get consistent, long term performance built directly into your products. And that's where ACM comes in. We want to be your trusted partner in the success of your factory applied treatments. We work alongside your team to guide operators on best practices, proper maintenance, and process consistency, so your system runs smooth day after day and your team is confident in both the process and the product.